Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, apa khabar? Today we will continue from the previous video of 100 Malay words that begin with the letter A. Previously, I have done the explanation with sample sentences for the first 10 words from the main video. And now I will do the part 2 for the next 10 words. You may watch all the videos under similar title in the playlist 100 Malay Words A. Before we proceed, help your beloved channel to grow by doing the following. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. Alright, let's begin. Jom mula. The first word is century. Abad, abad. Ada 100 tahun dalam satu abad, or ada 100 tahun dalam satu abad. There are 100 years in a century. The word abad is originally an Arabic word. The next word is aku, aku, which means I or my or me. Depending where it appears in the sentence, aku is informal and commonly used in a close relationship, for example, between friends or family members. Stick to the pronoun saya in any situation unless you are very close with that person. A sentence example, rumah aku dekat sana. Rumah aku dekat sana. My house is over there. Rumah is house. Rumah aku is my house. Dekat means at. Dekat sana is there or over there. Let's move on to the next word. Akui, akui, to admit. Saya akui yang ini salah saya. Saya akui yang ini salah saya. I admit that this is my mistake. Saya akui means I admit. Yang means that. The word yang is used to introduce another clause, and in this case is ini salah saya. Ini means this. Salah means mistake or wrongdoing. Salah saya means my mistake. Ini salah saya. This is my mistake. The next word is adil. Adil, fair. Ini tak adil. Ini tak adil. This is not fair. Ini means this. Tak or tidak means not. Adil means fair. Tak adil or tidak adil means not fair or unfair. Moving on. Aduh, aduh, ouch. In general, this exclamation is said when you are in pain. Sometimes we also say aduh when we forget to do something. Another variation of aduh is adoi, adoi. The first example is with aduh. Aduh, pedih. Ouch, it stings. The next one is for adoi. Adoi, saya lupa masukkan garam. Adoi, saya lupa masukkan garam. Oh no, I forgot to add in salt. Saya lupa means I forgot. Masukkan means to add in. Garam means salt. You could forget to add in the salt when cooking, but jangan lupa. Don't forget that I am always here to help you progress in speaking Malay better. Check out the link today. The next word is abai, abai, to neglect. Jangan abai tanggungjawab awak. Jangan abai tanggungjawab awak. Don't neglect your responsibility. Jangan means don't. Abai means to neglect. Tanggungjawab means responsibility. Awak means you. Tanggungjawab awak means your responsibility. Moving on to the next word, abaikan. Abaikan, to ignore. What's the difference between abaikan and abai from the previous slide? Well, honestly, both is interchangeable. In spoken Malay, I would use both abaikan and abai to mean to ignore or to neglect. Kenapa awak abaikan nasihat saya? Kenapa awak abaikan nasihat saya? Why did you ignore my advice? Kenapa means why, awak means you, abaikan means to ignore, nasihat means advice, saya means I, and nasihat saya is my advice. Let's go to the next word. Agak. Agak, to guess. Saya agak dia orang Arab. Saya agak dia orang Arab. I guess he is Arab. I guess he is Arab. Saya agak means I guess. Dia could mean he or she. Orang means people. Arab is Arab. Orang Arab means an Arab. The next word is agama. Agama, religion. Agama saya Islam. Agama saya Islam. My religion is Islam. And we come to the final word for today. Acah. Acah, to tease. I am just teasing you. I am just teasing you. Saya acah-acah awak je. Saya acah-acah awak je. Saya means I. Acah or acah-acah means to tease someone. Awak means you. Je or the full word sahaja means just or only. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more content and as always, terima kasih sangat-sangat. Thank you so much. Until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.